Want to speak real Cantonese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at CantoneseClass101.com.
我學咗廣東話10年. I have been learning Cantonese for 10 years. Wow, 10 years, that's a lot. I mean, 10 years ago, not a lot of people knows about Cantonese. Usually they just thought it was just Chinese. And how long have you been learning Cantonese? Let us know in the comments. 啲廣東話我全部自學㗎. I'm learning Cantonese all by myself. 啲廣東話我全部自學㗎. I'm learning Cantonese all by myself. That's brilliant. I mean, you need a lot of self-discipline to learn a language. I've been trying. I guess it's more common nowadays with the internet and the apps and everything. By the way, download our apps. 除咗廣東話，我仲識其他幾個語言. Apart from knowing Cantonese, I can speak a few other languages as well. So that makes you what? Bilingual, trilingual, quadlingual? I don't know. Yeah, that's really cool. They said that the more languages you speak, the more open you are to new ideas. How many languages can you speak? So if you want to tell people which languages you know, you can say, 除咗廣東話，我仲識日文同德文. Other than Cantonese, I can also speak Japanese and German. 我睇港產片可以唔使字幕. I can watch Cantonese movies without subtitles. That's great. That's one of my goals when I'm learning a language, to not have to read the subtitles when I watch a movie. Can you do that now? 我一日可以記50個廣東話生字. I can memorize around 50 new Cantonese words a day. Can you really remember that much in a day? Maybe it's just me. I think I can only remember 10 or 20 max. Tell us how many words you can remember every day.
我乜都識, I know everything. 我乜都識, I know everything. Nobody really knows everything, right? And anyone you meet, they know something that you don't, so respect. 我叫你就做啦, just do what I say. 我叫你就做啦. Literally, I call, then you do it. Or I say it, then you do it. So just do what I say. 我叫你就做啦. 係嘅，老闆. If I'm the boss, I'm just gonna tell the staff, 我叫你就做啦. Just do what I say. Yes, you're the boss. 你永遠都唔會成功. You'll never succeed. That's so sad. Why would you say that? Don't say that to anyone. Don't say that to yourself. Don't say that to your friends or family. Don't say that to anyone. 我啱你錯. I'm right and you're wrong. 我啱你錯. 我啱 is correct. 錯 is wrong. So I'm right and you're wrong. Correct them nicely if they said something wrong, but don't say 我啱你錯. That's too blunt. 我哋唔可以咁做. We can't do that. We can't do that. 我哋唔可以咁做. Nothing is impossible. Try your best. Don't give up at the beginning. Yeah. Well, unless it's something illegal. 你最近肥咗啊? Have you gained weight lately? Have you gained weight recently? 你最近肥咗啊? 最近 is recently and 肥 is fat. 對唔住，我唔記得咗. Sorry, I forgot about it. That's never a good thing, to have someone forget what they promised to do. 多謝你嘅履歷，但係我哋已經請咗人. Thank you for your resume. However, the position has been filled. That really sucks when you go to a job interview and then found out the position has been filled, right? 我哋有啲嘢要傾下. We need to talk. That's never a good start when someone say that to you. 我今日冇錢還俾你. I don't have your money today. I don't usually like to lend people money because that's what I hate, to ask them back for their money. I don't want to borrow anyone's money. 我今日冇錢還俾你. I don't have the money for you today. 你今日好精神. You look great today. 今日 is today. 精神 is kind of like lively, but in general great, like good. So 你今日好精神. If you see someone that has a glow in their face, you can tell them 你今日睇到好精神喎. 你今日好精神.
我帶咗啲特別嘢俾你。I bought you something special. It's always nice to receive gifts and special gifts, I guess, for everyone. 我帶咗啲特別嘢俾你。I brought you something special. Maybe for anniversary. Well, no, not anniversary. It's the best if it's not an anniversary or birthday or anything. Just a surprise gift, not surprise. It's even normal gift. I brought you something special. It's a very nice gesture that you can do for anyone. 你講得啱. You were right. 你講得啱. You were right. Literally, you spoke correctly. So 你講得啱. You were right. Whatever you said was right. That's usually what a guy has to say to stop arguing with a girlfriend. Sadly. 你贏啦. You win. 贏 is win. So you win. That's always something you want to hear. You won the lottery. 你贏咗六合彩. 六合彩 is lottery in Hong Kong. It's the name of the lottery in Hong Kong. 你贏咗六合彩頭獎啊! What are you going to buy if you won the lottery? Tell us in the comment section, please. 休息下，我今日會清潔. Take a break. I'll do the cleaning today. That's very nice. If the roommate or your spouse or your family do that, that's awesome. Can you clean my place for me?
廣東話好得意又易學。Cantonese is fun and easy to learn. Yes, it is. It sounds like the song, and it has a lot of tone, so it's fun to learn. And there are a lot of slang. Once you know the language, it's very interesting to find out the background of the slangs or idioms. So work hard. 我嘅廣東話3年之內會好似母語咁流利。I'll speak Cantonese like a native speaker in 3 years. 3 years seems a bit short to master a language and make it fluent like your mother tongue, but you can do it. It usually takes a year and a half for someone to really capture the essence of the language, especially if you're living in a city that speaks that language. That really helps. 你講嘅嘢我完全明白. I completely understand everything you said. I completely understand everything you said. 你講嘅嘢我完全明白. Depending on the person speaking, sometimes even when people are speaking in Cantonese or in English, I can still get confused because the way they speak or the speed they speak. But yeah, I would aim to completely understand the other person when they're speaking in a language that I'm learning. So that is really good progress. 多謝，但係呢個唔係我嘅母語. Thank you, but I'm not a native speaker actually. 多謝，但係呢個唔係我嘅母語. Thank you, but I'm actually not a native speaker. Wow, if people said that to you, that means your Cantonese is really good and you have no accent at all. So that's like the ultimate goal for learning a language. 母語 is mother tongue, so it's like, thank you, but this is not my mother tongue. But I speak it like it's my mother tongue. I rock. 我淨係學咗1年，已經好流利。我淨係學咗1年，已經好流利。It took me only 1 year to become fluent. I mean, 1 year? Yes, you can do that if you study like every day and practice every day. I know someone who get really fluent in spoken Cantonese. Just practice a lot, say it out loud, and don't be afraid. 我諗我哋要分開下. I think we need a break. 我諗 I think 我哋 we or us 要分開下. 分開 is to separate, but adding the 下 makes it a short term. So 分開下 to separate for a while, so to have a break. Nobody really just have a short break. It's just a real breakup. So that sucks. 我需要啲私人空間. I need my space. 我需要 is I need. 私人空間 is private space. So I need more space. I need my own space. I need more space. 我需要啲私人空間. 我諗我哋進展得太快. I think we're moving too fast.
Again, 我諗 I think 我哋 we or us 進展 is progress, or to progress the verb or the noun. 得太快 太 is too much or too, 快 is fast, so too fast. 進展得太快 progressing too fast. Someone who is not ready for the relationship might say that. I don't know. 我哋做朋友算啦 Let's just be friends. Actually, someone broke up with me with this sentence on a text. So I was like, huh? We're already friends. What are you talking about? Oh, I just got dumped. That's what I realized. 朋友 is friend, so 算啦 is kind of like dismissing something. 我哋做朋友 is let's be friends. And 我哋做朋友算啦 is let's just be friends. It's like degrading. 我未有心理準備發展呢種關係 I'm just not ready for this kind of relationship. 心理準備 is psychologically prepared. 心理 is psychology. And 準備 is preparation or to prepare. So I don't have this psychological preparation for this kind of relationship.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.